It's day 5 of the Create and Bloom Advent Basket. And this is day 5. Do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do. We shall close the basket and not be tempted for other days. Hold, please. And we come back. Feel it's very thin, so my guess is DTV transfer sticker. Resin Artiste. It is a transfer sticker. That's fun. I put this on like a frame when you enter a door where it says like doctor. I'll just put it Resin Artiste. Thank you.